What's good, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Auto Review. I am Floyd. So today we're here at We Buy Cars. We're gonna be looking for cars that are less than 150,000 rand. I hope you will love this video. So if you do, please subscribe to your local YouTube channel. It only costs 2 seconds to do so. Thank you. So our first car for the day is this 2019 Renault Sandero, which is going for 96,900, and it's a category B, meaning you can finance the car. It has 110 kilometers on the clock. This Renault has a 1-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine producing 66 kilowatts of power and 135 newton meters of torque. It has a 5-speed manual transmission with fuel consumption of 5.4 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 45 liters. This car has a roadworthy issues which you need to fix before you get into the road. So the technical report, they said red tires, they are smooth, as you can see there. I didn't see anything strange with the car. The color is still okay. Even the windows are tinted. Even the roof lighting there's nothing wrong. So when it comes to the interior, you have your 5 seats, your infotainment system there, your steering wheel. There's nothing major about this car, but everything is still okay. As you can see, even the bumper there, it is still okay. Our second car for the day is this 2015 VW Upmove, which is going for 87,900. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. So you're looking to pay 1,940 per month. It has 143,200 kilometers on the clock. This VW has a 1-liter engine producing 90 kilowatts of power and 200 newton meters of torque. With 5-speed manual transmission, you're also getting a 4.6 liters per 100 kilometers with fuel tank capacity of 35 liters. So the declare report of this car says this car has a damage stabilizer, CV joints, boost, front rear, inner and outer damage, rear service and parking brakes out of legal range. So when it comes to the interior, there's nothing major there. The interior, it is very old, man, as you can see there. But you're getting your 5 seats there. Your infotainment system is there. You just need to fix few things on this car, as you can see there. It also torn, but the condition of this car, it is still okay outside. Yeah, what do you think about this car? This is the 2019 Ford Fiesta, which is going for 99,900. It is a category B, meaning you cannot finance the car. It has 100,000 kilometers on the clock. It has a 1-liter 3-cylinder EcoBoost engine with direct fuel injector and turbocharged. It produces 74 kilowatts of power and 170 newton meters of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers in just 10.9 seconds and top speed of 180 kilometers per hour. It has a 6-speed automatic transmission with front-wheel drive. When it comes to fuel consumption, you're getting a 4.9 liters per 100 kilometers and fuel tank capacity of 42 liters. This car, it is really damaged. It is real damage, man. If you want to know a lot about this car, hey, you have to check the Jaguar, but a lot of things, they are damaged. But when you come to the interior, you have a multifunction steering wheel. Your seats, they are still in a good condition. The interior of this car, it is still okay, but the car, it is damaged. I was reading its interior, but hey, yeah. Our next car for the day is this 2013 Toyota Etios, which is going for 91,900. It is a category B, meaning you cannot finance the car. It has 189,772 kilometers on the clock. This Etios has a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder petrol engine producing 66 kilowatts of power and 132 newton meters of torque with 5-speed manual gearbox. It has a fuel consumption of 6 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 45 liters. So the declare report of this car says both rear trailing arm brushes torn, so you just have to fix that. But the car, it is still in a good condition. As you can see, everything, it is still okay. Even the color, no dent, no scratches. So the interior, it is there. You need to wash those seats, man, as you can see there. It seems like kids were playing inside, but it is still in a mint condition. So what do you think about this car, man? What do you think about this car? For your 2013 car to be in this good condition, man, it is rare. What do you think about it? This 2012 Mini Cooper been like sitting here for a month now. So this car it is going for 78,900. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. So you're looking to pay 1,778 per month. It has 100,871 kilometers on the clock. This Mini Cooper has a 1.6 liter turbocharged inline 4-cylinder engine producing 90 kilowatts of power. It has a 6-speed manual transmission with fuel consumption of 5.8 liters per 100 kilometers and fuel tank capacity of 40 liters. According to the Dekra report, they said front right tires and RR type smooth, parking brakes, warning light. I thought there will be a big issue with this car, but the design it is beautiful, man. It is beautiful, as you can see there. When it comes to the interior, you have your electrical windows there, your couple seats, your steering wheel there, as you can see. The interior it is still okay, man. You have your center mounted speed meter there. The car it is okay. It is beautiful, man. I really love this design, as you can see there. If you've been subscribed to this channel, please do so, guys, so that we can post more. Our next car for the day is this 2012 Ford Fiesta, which is going for 95,900. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. We are looking to pay 2,084 per month. It has 74,081 kilometers on the clock. This Ford Fiesta has a 1.6 liter engine producing 88 kilowatts of power. It also has a 5-speed manual transmission. So when it comes to fuel consumption, you're getting a 6.1 liter per 100 kilometers and a full tank capacity of 45 liters. This vehicle has a roadworthy issues. According to the Dekra report of this car, they said this car has a smooth red tires which you need to repair them. Even you need to repair that there's a dent there. So when it comes to the interior, you have your closed seats, your audio system, your steering wheel with multifunction. There's nothing major with this car. It is very old, man. Even the interior, you can tell that it is old, but it is still okay. It is still okay. Even the color, it is still in a good condition. Yeah, man. This is the 2016 Nissan X-Trail, which is going for 110,900. It is a category B, meaning you cannot finance the car. This car has a 182,299 kilometers on the clock. It has a 2-liter diesel engine producing 77 horsepower and 380 newton meters of torque. It has a 6-speed manual transmission with fuel consumption of 5.1 liters per 100 kilometers and a full tank capacity of 60 liters. The Dekra report on this car says windscreen cracked, gearbox mounting loose, engine smoke, red tires smooth, which you need to fix before you get in the road with this car. But the exterior it is still good, man. So when it comes to the interior, there's nothing major. You have your multifunction steering wheel, your infotainment system there, your closed seat there, your armrest. Yeah, man, that's it. That's it about the Nissan X-Trail. The exterior it is still okay. Yeah. Our second last car for the day is this 2016 Nissan Juke, which is going for 100,900. It is a category B, meaning you cannot finance the car. So this car has 127,000 kilometers on the clock. This Nissan has a 1.2 liter turbocharged inline 4-cylinder engine producing 85 kilowatts of power and 190 newton meters of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 10.8 seconds and top speed of 178 kilometers per hour. It has a 6-speed manual transmission with fuel consumption of 5.6 liters per 100 kilometers and fuel tank capacity of 46 liters. The Dekra report of this car said traction control is damaged and both trailing arm brush torn. which you need to fix them, but the exterior, it is still okay. It also has that style there. So the interior, it is still good, man. You have your multifunction steering wheel. Only few things are inside there, as the car, it is old, but the color, it is okay. Our last car for the day is this 2014 Jeep Cherokee, which is going for 127,900. It is a category B, meaning you cannot finance the car. It has 181,337 kilometers on the clock. It has a 3.2 liter V6 engine producing 200 kilowatts of power and 350 newton meters of torque. It has a 9-speed automatic transmission with fuel consumption of 9.5 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 60 liters. It has few damages, which are hooter defective, airbag warning, and a front left tire smooth. The exterior of this car, it is still okay. All the windows are tinted. I didn't see any scratches, any dent on the car. All the bumpers are still attached. Even the rims are still okay. So when it comes to the interior, you have your 8.4-inch touchscreen with navigation and Bluetooth connectivity. You have your leather seats there, your armrest. Yeah, man. That's it about our last car for the day. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. Thank you.